Welcome to In the Wild with Nature Owl. I'm out here. Y'all hear that? That's a bald eagle right there. I was getting ready to leave my lunch spot and I heard it fly in. You probably can't see it, but it's somewhere in these trees. Also, yes, this is what a bald eagle sounds like. It doesn't make that shrill or long call sound. That is actually the sound of a red-tailed hawk or a red-shouldered hawk, depending on which sound industries go with. But yeah, bald eagle right here in Lithia Springs, Georgia.